In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Jotform. If you've ever removed something from a form and instantly wished you hadn't, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get it back using Jotform's built-in undo option. We'll move calmly through the process so you know where to click and what to look for, and I'll point out a few helpful cues along the way. Start by heading to jotform.com in your web browser. This takes you to Jotform's workspace where your forms live and where you'll make the change we're going to undo. Keeping this all inside the app ensures the undo option appears right when you need it. On the left side of the screen, locate the sidebar and click All. This view collects all of your forms in one place, which makes it easy to pick the exact form you want to work with, whether it's a draft, a live form, or a template you're refining. Now, select the form you want and click it to open. This brings you into the form builder where you can see your fields, sections, and widgets. Take a moment to identify the element you'll use for this demo, something safe to remove temporarily, like a test field or a sample section. With the form open in the builder, click Delete on the element you've chosen. Depending on the field type, the delete control may appear as a small trash can icon or as a visible delete option when the field is selected. You'll know you're acting on the right item when you see its outline or toolbar active. When Jotform asks you to confirm, click Delete Item. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental removals and makes sure you're intentionally making the change. After you confirm, the element will disappear from the form layout, and that's your cue for the next and most important part. Immediately after the deletion, look for the undo option that appears on the screen. It may show up as a small banner or prompt near the top or bottom of the builder. Click undo, and the deleted field or section will return to its original place with its previous settings intact. Timing matters here. The undo prompt typically appears right after the action and can fade after a short moment, so it's best to click it as soon as you see it. That's all there is to it. By going to Jotform, opening all on the left, selecting your form, deleting an item, confirming delete item, and then clicking undo, you can safely experiment and instantly reverse a change when needed. Thanks for watching and happy form building.